Over the last few years on Creek to Coast, we've put just about every product in the ARB off-road accessory range through a pretty strenuous crash test program, and I'm pleased to say they've handled just about everything that we've dished up. To find out just what makes this stuff so unbreakable, well, we actually have to leave the bush behind and head into the city. Well, here we are in the outer suburbs of Melbourne at the world's biggest four-wheel drive shop. It might not look like much out here, but wait till you see inside. What started out back in the 70s with a single bloke working out of the family garage is today the largest 4x4 accessory manufacturer in the country, with exports going out to more than 80 countries across the globe. These days, ARB employs more than 600 people, and this manufacturing plant engineers everything from diff locks to snatch blocks under the one roof. The factory, which runs 24 hours a day, utilises both high-tech robots for complete accuracy and highly skilled workers for intricate jobs that require hands-on attention. It might surprise a lot of people, but these compressors are made here and designed here in Australia. As you can see, there are quite a few components, and a team in this little area here in the factory put out over 100 of these every day. If the air compressors are the smallest bit of gear to come out of this place, then the prize for the largest would have to go to the bull bars. Believe it or not, this bit of steel here is a 200 series Land Cruiser bull bar. But of course, we're going to have to do a little bit of work to it before we can bolt it on the car. Using computer-aided design, these fairly unimpressive sheets are laser cut and bent into shape before making their way over to the welding and grinding shop. You might think this is a grinder, but I tell you, that's the grinder in there. After all the components have been fabricated, it's time to start putting the puzzle together, and it's here that the bar actually starts to take shape. Finally, the transformed sheet of steel is cleaned, cooked and powder coated before they can be wrapped up and shipped out. Well, here we are, the finished product, 26 pieces of steel, been through the hands of 32 people. And 6 days ago, this was a flat sheet of steel. But there's one last thing before we finish. From here, the bull bars are sent out to distributors all over the world, where the final customisation is done, like installing winches or matching the paint colours. For more details on the full range of four-wheel drive toys and accessories, either jump on the website or give ARB a call to find your nearest distributor.